How do I change the Samsung TV screensaver?
Hello there. Are you looking to personalize your Samsung Smart TV experience? One great way is by changing the screensaver to something that matches your style or mood. Today, we're going to show you how to change the screensaver on your Samsung Smart TV. It's quite simple and straightforward, so stick with us.
What is a screensaver?
Before we dive into the process, let's quickly define what a screensaver is. A screensaver is a computer program that fills the TV screen with images or patterns when the device is not in use. Initially, screensavers were designed to prevent burn-in on older CRT monitors. Nowadays, they serve more as a personalization feature or a way to display useful information when the TV is idle.
Preparing your TV.
First things first. To change the screensaver settings, your Samsung Smart TV should be turned on. So, go ahead and press the power button on your remote to turn on the TV.
Accessing the settings menu.
Now that your TV is on, press the home button on your remote. This should bring up the Smart Hub on your screen. Navigate to and select the settings or gear icon. It should be on the far right of the Smart Hub.
Navigating to the screensaver settings.
From the Settings menu, navigate to General, then scroll down and select System Manager. In the System Manager, find and select the Eco Solutions sub-menu. Here, you'll find the screensaver option.
Changing the screensaver.
You've now reached the right place. You can select Screensaver to change the current screensaver setting. Samsung Smart TVs generally offer a few preset screensaver options you can select from. Choose the one you like and press OK or Enter on your remote. Note, the screensaver settings and options might vary slightly depending on the model and operating system of your Samsung TV. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the screensaver on your Samsung Smart TV. We hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy personalizing your TV viewing experience. As always, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask. Until next time.